What's up guys, welcome to shipment 7 of this Nissan GTR scale model kit. It's a big box. I don't know what's inside of it. Let's open it. Yeah. It's Christmas already. Oh, this is my Halloween present per se. Shipment 8, my bad. This is shipment 8. Oh, what is in here? So, okay, what I have here is the GTR Collector's Badge, build up issue 27-30. Let's go. Bubble wrap, bubble wrap, bubble wrap. What is this big box, man? I can't. What we have here. Oh, this is probably the rear seats. Yeah. Rear seats. Yeah, same thing with this one. Rear seats. Oh, look at that, man. Recaros. Mini Recaros, I think, or Sparkle. Wow. Another one. So what it came with, rear chassis, what do you think this? Okay, came with the left seat base. Okay, attach the left seat. Okay, okay, cool. What is this? Is this the badging? Badging? Let's open this up. Ugh. Oh, the GTR limited badging. Wow. Look at that, dude. Legitimate, oh shit, legitimate GTR badge. Probably the same that goes on to the, the real GTRs. Okay, so this is the display base that we are seeing right here. Let's go ahead and open up this box. A box within an unboxing. Okay, we have a description right here. Okay, display base. So, yeah, so I'm guessing I should open it from the top then, huh? I should do that. Let's open it from the top. If it's a 1/8 scale, then this car has to be huge, dude. Yeah, it's a 1/8 scale. Styrofoam. Jesus Christ. That is a huge display base, man. Back and past it too. Yeah, there it is. Display base. And I'm guessing that GTR logo probably goes right here on the top in front. This is like a 32-inch widescreen TV. Very nice. Well, I can't wait for this to build. This thing. I got so many more issues to go. Yeah. Alrighty guys, see you guys later.